Southeastern Freight Lines Review. Honest user experience with this shipping giant. Shipping freight can be a headache, but Southeastern Freight Lines promises reliable, regional delivery across the Southeast. I tested their services firsthand, and here's my honest review. Most people assume large freight companies are slow or impersonal, but the surprising truth is Southeastern Freight Lines combine scale with attentive service. Their regional focus allows them to manage shipments more efficiently than national carriers in the area. Booking was straightforward. I created an account, scheduled a pickup, and received clear tracking updates. The online portal makes managing shipments, printing labels, and estimating costs easy. Transit times were consistent. My shipments arrived on schedule, and items were well handled. Packaging arrived intact. Drivers were professional and responsive, providing real-time updates when needed. Pricing is competitive for the to less than truckload shipments, especially for frequent regional deliveries. Southeastern also offers volume discounts for businesses, which makes it ideal for small and medium enterprises. The only downside? Some remote areas have slightly longer delivery times, but this is a minor issue compared to larger, nationwide carriers. In conclusion, Southeastern Freight Lines is reliable, professional, and efficient for regional shipping. Whether you're sending business freight or personal shipments, their service is consistent, user-friendly, and cost-effective.